Hi guys, if you are using Kazam as a screencast application for Ubuntu, in the latest version Kazam is not detecting the external microphone. If you see here in the preferences, it is showing as unknown as an option. We are not able to detect the connected microphone here. This particular issue is happening only with the latest version of Ubuntu. I am currently using the latest version, which is 20.04 LTS. If we navigate to sound option and check the output, laptop is able to detect the internal and external audio. So this issue is actually with the Kazam application configuration. We will first navigate to the particular path over here. I'll just paste down the description as well. So in under this folder we have pulseaudio.py, which is a Python file. I'll just open it in an edit mode using sudo nano pulseaudio.py, which is the file name. It will ask for root password. Just enter it. Okay, so now in this file we just need to change some function name, so which is time.clock. Before that, I'll show you what is the Python version we are running. So this is 3.8.2. So if you check in the Python time module library, time.clock, so in the last before para, deprecated since 3.3 and it will be removed from 3.8. If you see here, this particular function time.clock will be removed from 3.8. In my terminal, if you see, it is 3.8.2. So obviously, so it's deprecated. So that is the reason we are not able to view the audio mode. So I will close this terminal, and so instead of time.clock function, we need to have an alternative one, which is this perf_counter. To replace all option, just click Ctrl plus backslash and type the string as time.clock and click enter. Now type the replacement string time.perf_counter and click enter. Now you can choose replace individual one with Y or click A to replace all. If you see here, replaced 8 occurrences, and click Ctrl X to exit and click Y to save. Okay, so now the file is updated. Now if you open the Kazam application once again and navigate to the preferences, if you see here, microphone is enabled and the speaker is also enabled. Now we can use the Kazam application with the external microphone. Thank you.